everybody, it's Shelly again. Just wanted to let you guys know we're headed off to do a camera inspection and line locate in Manchester, Londonderry line area for one of the customers that we always do it for. So stay tuned and you get to watch another line locate. Thanks, bye. Say hi.
Look at that.
I sent you that link to that
Oh, you did?
Penachuk video. That's that link that you got on your phone. I don't know if you got it yet, but that's what that was if you're wondering.
Oh, right there.
That's just the inside of the pipe though. That's just the sea snake video. We weren't recording like what we did. So
Yep.
it's just the video from this.
Was it? Oh, no, I'll watch it.
It's from one of the toilet flanges. So.
Yeah, listen to that thing.
Yeah.
So their bathrooms must be on the other side of the wall.
Which would be good and bad because this is going to be higher.
Right?
Flow that way.
I don't even know how much you're going to be able to get, but I got to still figure it out.
At least we'll go that way. You might have to go right near the flange. Looks like you gotta. Oh, that's a stud. My brain's not working today. I was like, why isn't the.
Why isn't it showing?
Yeah, well, that and the thing's down. It's like this morning I was getting the girls ready for school. I told Samantha, I was like, I'm gonna have to drive you to school. I'm gonna have to drive you to work in the school shop. And like, oh, is that wrong? And they started laughing at me. And then I was just getting everything wrong. Because in the morning I drive to pick up Lillian's friend to drive him to school with her. And I know the way to take. I've done it 500 times.
Yep.
And I drove to the, you know where Riv is? I drove past that, around the rotary and went out near Hayward's instead of going to the other side. I'm like, what am I doing? Holy turns back there. Look at that. You see that?
Where the hell is that?
It's right here. I'm literally 3 feet in. I can still see my light. It's right here at both of these toilets. Which tells me that it looks like a back-to-back. I'm either gonna... Oh, no, I jumped it.
That. It's happening.
Can you flush that toilet on the other side?
Yep. Ha! Take a picture of it. Okay, just like Gary and I fucking explain your situation. I mean, you know what I mean? see what I can do. Is it second floor or where is it? Gable end? Okay. Alright, send the pictures out. We'll see what we can do. Thanks.
So,
That water's not even.
that water did, because I pulled it back to where I thought that was a weird fitting.
Yep.
So that pipe that comes in this side, that's where that toilet flushes in. And then I went straight. Now in here, I don't know what this connection is on the top. It could be a
Could it
clean
be
out.
one of these?
It could be one of these. There's no more water coming through, and then I take a slight right.
Could it be one of these drains here?
It's possible. But it looked like a 4-inch, it didn't look like it was like a 2-inch. So I took a right, and then I'm taking another left. I'm taking a left. Rather than just stay straight. See how it looks like it's another 4-inch?
Yep.
It'll be like a smaller opening for the...
What's up, Steve?
What do you guys want?
A dirty video.
Snaking some drains.
It's
Checking to see where my pipes
It's
are
not
going.
pornography, right?
No.
Yeah, it looks pretty dirty though.
Yep.
Unless it goes up the other side of the toilet, on the other side of the wall. Hey, look at that!
Is that
Someone's
a
sitting
good?
on the toilet.
Is that a good thing?
That's
Oh yeah, that wouldn't be good. Nice.
That's another full 4-inch.
We might be into the other side. How
Yeah.
far are you out?
32 feet.
Oh yeah, you're on the other side.
So
Wow,
then,
that's crazy,
how
huh?
far is this section that you're looking?
It's only going here. It gives you the wall, so.
Right, but this goes this way.
Does it?
Yeah.
So we
There's
need to
no
locate it
turn
then.
here.
Okay, we need to locate it then, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, this goes this way.
I'll have to
before
home her
I-
out.
Well, remember when I said it took a jog to the right a little bit
Yeah.
and then it jogged to the left? I think that's where it
Okay,
when it jogs to the left.
we might have
So
to
I'll
get
pull
the
back
beacon.
to that and
Yep.
Oh, training.
No, I gotta sock at the floor, I gotta add toilets, I gotta add a mop sink, so. I always have, whenever I do a job, I always have these guys come in because I wanna see what the drain looks like. I wanna know what the direction of it,
Oh, that's a good.
because I can't tell.
Yeah, you're gonna be cutting up.
Everyone says, oh, it must go this way. Well, really?
Guess what? It's going that way. It's
Exactly,
going that way.
yeah, and I'm sock at it.
Wasted a cut.
Yeah.
All right, I found
Give me
out
one
what I gotta
second.
look at.
What?
I found out what I gotta look at.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta put the wall right to it to make it look pretty. But you know, the wall's on the side, so yeah, this is where it's going. For this one. More on this floor.
Yeah.
And the wall here. Just a little bit of ground. Well,
yes.
so, you know, I just felt like, okay, the picture looks like my wall is, you know, nice.
Yeah, that's for that.
Cut it out, take that side of that.
There's a small right there. Scroll this on. It's with me, go get the locator.
We show them from the side of the wall.
Yeah.
Must be a Y that goes around.
You want to get it out, it's not good.
He's got a mini excavator.
Kurt, that fitting where the toilets,
What's that?
the fitting where the toilets meet, must be a Y because it goes in between the showers.
Then it goes that way.
It goes in between, right, it goes in between the showers. It's at 28 inches down.
I'm 28 there.
Yeah, because where I pushed to that other like 4-inch connection that we saw, it's the showers that are connected to it. So it's right in between the shower wall.
Awesome.
Knock it out.
Yep, I'm gonna spray paint that shit.
I'd have to paint the floor of the shower or break down the wall and get in there and
There you go.
climb over the top and
There
just
you
go
go.
down through the,
Yeah. We'll just get a sawzall and cut the back of the shower.
there you go.
I pull this wall right out of here for that.
Yeah, this all gonna come on, that way we opened it up so we can get fucking back and forth. Okay. What we suspected, but I'd rather be sure.
Right, better safe than sorry kind of thing.
Yes. Back-to-back toilet goes that way.
Yep,
That is a 4-inch line when they connect into.
yep.
Okay.
Yeah, because this, there's a reducer,
Yep.
looks like in the flange. It looks like they used one of the fall-in flanges, so it's definitely gonna be big enough to add another toilet at least.
Okay.
Unpause the video. Stop the video. Good. Power off. Alrighty, everyone. That takes care of that one. Now, I gotta get going pretty quick here because we got, he wants to leave and get to his next one. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.